Hello, everybody, and welcome back to the final episode in this season. I'd just like to start by thanking anyone and everyone who watched any or all of this season. I hope that got something out of it, or maybe, a whole lot out of it. But regardless, I appreciate you if you were interacting with the content or leaving likes or comments or, even subscribing to the channel. That would be, obviously amazing and great measures of, success or interest, if you will, in the channel, in the content. So that would be great. But we've covered a whole lot. I think it's appropriate to kind of just end it here. I've showcased basically everything that I've wanted to, at least in this fashion, so to speak. That'll make more sense in later seasons, but I've been enjoying this tremendously. I'm very happy to be able to give back to the community, no matter how big or how small. And I'm excited to see where this channel can go. So I don't really say it in every video. Maybe every now and then I will, because I don't want to, kind of beat a dead horse with it. But liking, commenting, and especially subscribing is definitely important, especially at this point in my or in the channel's growth. It's just such an early channel with limited views and limited subscribers, so every little bit helps. And the more that happens on that front, the more likes that a video gets, the more views or the more subscribers the channel gets, the more likely the algorithm is to surface some of this content to other people who are searching for it, and might not have had as easy of a time finding it as you did. So I'm not going to sit here and beg and whatnot, but just let it be known that it's likely, if you are watching this content, that you are a technical person. So know that there's actually some legitimate quantifiable benefit for your actions and the interaction with the channel to whatever degree. So it would be great if I could see more of that and whatnot, but I'm sure it'll just kind of iron itself out over the coming seasons and whatnot. But I think in the next season here, I actually want to talk about, oh, where is it? Maybe because we don't have this project set up as a Git repository or a Git project, but we're going to introduce Git and version control to basically this project here. So it'll give me a way to share this project with you, so you'll have all the code, literally this entire project, so you can pull it down, copy from it, look at it, do whatever that you need to do. If you haven't been following along, to every function call made, every ounce of code that was written. So I think we'll deviate a little bit from actually writing code and kind of talk a little bit more about something that's super important, in my opinion, to your growth as a developer, whether you're going to be doing Android development or backend or iOS or web or machine learning or building some other kind of system or tools. Version control in general is just going to be super important for you. And then Git is kind of the leader in that space, and then being tethered to GitHub, it also just makes life so much easier, to just maintain code and kind of keep things off your computer. God forbid something were to happen, you don't lose your entire project and stuff like that. So I know when I was first starting out, Git was a little bit intimidating, especially because it was basically command line, the way that I was introduced to it, and that wasn't really my favorite thing to do. But Android Studio actually has integration with it. There'll be a whole nother tile or pane here that says Git, and you can go ahead and actually do basically all the commands that you would need to do to just work with the version control system and get the most out of it. So there's definitely plenty of stuff to cover there, and we're just going to go ahead and jump right into that, and then we'll revisit maybe building a new application with a couple different things targeted for what we're going to be learning, or specifics that we're going to be modifying or changing or whatever the case is. So hopefully you've enjoyed this. If you're a fan of the Premier League, I'd love to hear your favorite team or your thoughts on the players in the league and stuff like that. But otherwise, I will catch you in the next one, starting off season 3. Thanks.